Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share if you find this video helpful. And also, do not forget to support this channel using the super thanks. And when you do that, you can go ahead to comment. So, I would love to watch out for it. Now, let's take a look at this our Zoom video communication, which is our ZM, right? So we would actually start from the higher time frame because we want to know where this price will be moving for this week. So we will start with the higher time frame. So at first, this price was kind of like spiking up. You can see it. Currently, this price is showing me at around 2019, right? So you can see that this movement is going up, right? And we can see that this price was giving us a bullish move. There's no doubt about that. And I've also added this moving average, which I am using 10 period moving average to guide me on taking this trade. So we all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once this price movement is above our 10 period moving average, then then we all know that we should go long. Then there's only one movement we should watch out for, which is to actually go long. We should go buy, we should go bullish, right? But once this price is below our 10 period moving average, then we have to sell, we have to short. So previously it was above this moving average. So during that period, we were going long, right? But now this price has now gone bearish and it is now below our 10 period moving average. So that is still to tell you that this price is now bearish. And majority of all our stocks, you see early this year, we are seeing a massive drop on majority of our stocks. If you take a look at your stocks, there is a drop, right? No doubt about that. So I mean, there should not be a difference on this Zoom video, right? Communication, which is our ZN. So we can take a look at this moment as a drop, and we would consider this as to be a pullback. Then we will take a look at this as a drop. You'll notice that this drop broke this previous lows, and here comes a pullback that was made. Guess what we've gotten again? You see that there is a massive drop here. You know, price kind of came to this level, right? Kind of give us like a pullback here. You know, during all this period, majority of our stocks were just dropping. So I mean, this is one of the reasons why we are having this massive drop here. So we can see this as a drop. Here would be a pullback, right? So we've gotten another drop. You notice that if you zoom in properly, this drop just has broken this previous lows and a pullback was made, no doubt came close to our moving average. What do you expect next? Another drop. So this video, this ZM, which is our Zoom video, will continue to give us that bearish move, right? So if you take a look at the month of October, we kind of had like a bullish move, price open and close bullish, which is not like a pullback level. But before that, right, before the month of October, this is the month of August, right? This is the month of July. You see, the month of July, we actually opened and closed bearish. The month of August, we opened and closed bearish. Then this is the month of October, this is the month of September, this is the month of August. So about August we open and close bearish. Even July we open and close bearish. July, August we open and close bearish. September also we opened and closed bearish. Then the month of October gave us a bullish move, which is as considered as a pullback. Then November we open and close bearish, and now we are in the month of December and price has given us a bearish move. That is still to tell you that more bearish move is coming. So ZM or Zoom video, expect a further bearish move that will be made. You can see this price is still trading below our 10 period moving average. So we expect more bearish move. That should take us to the weekly time frame. So we will see the trend on the weekly time frame. You can see the trend. Clearly, this is a bearish move, and we are going down. We are seeing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So expect more lower lows and lower highs to be made on this Zoom video. We can also see this price trading below our moving average. So as long as it is trading below our moving average, then we still see this as a bearish move. So we should consider this as a bearish move. So this week that just finished, we kind of opened and closed bearish. The upper one we opened and closed bearish. So still expect a further drop, right? But before that, I want you guys to notice something. Now let's go to the week daily time frame. You see that there's kind of like a rejection around this level on this daily time frame. Once price will come to this level, So we would want to apply that principle of trade what you see and not what you think, especially when you want to trade it for the week. You would want to go to the daily time frame and apply that principle of trade what you see and not what you think. So what we clearly can see here is that once price comes to this same level here, tend to see a rejection, which it goes up, right? You saw price came to this same level, the price rejected and went up, right? We saw price came close to this same level, so we're going to count it. Price rejected, went up, then price dropped to get to this same level, right? Went up, rejected by going up, price came again to this same level, it's rejected, it went up, and now price has dropped to this same level. So what I would advise you is that let's see this price actually push up again. So let's see if it will hit a level of 74 this week, then we would now expect that bearish move. So, like I said, like I was saying, on the weekly aspect of it, we would want to go bearish. But on this daily time frame, we are seeing multiple rejection at this bottom. So we would now apply that principle of trade what you see and not what you think. So what we clearly can see is that price is rejecting at this bottom here. So we would also want to trade with it. So let's have that rejection with it, and let's see that price give us a moment to a level of 74 or 75 this week before we now see that drop. So if you want to go ahead to sell on your ZM or Zoom video, right? You want to go ahead to sell, then possibly wait for a kind of like a good amount of bullish to be made. So a level of 74, 75 before you go ahead to sell on this movement, right? But above all, this price is still below this 10 period moving average. So we still consider this as a sell movement. We still consider this as a short movement. But due to the multiple rejection that we're having here, there's every possibility that this price will actually push on. So watch out for that. And now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. Same thing with our daily time frame, price rejecting here multiple times. Let's see if it's actually go up, get to level 74 or level 75 this week. So this Zoom video communication, I'm still expecting a bearish move. We expect a short, but due to this rejection that we have here, there's strong possibility that price will push up to level 75. So guys, watch out for a level 75, even break higher than that. So do not be surprised if price actually break higher and goes bullish, it breaks more than a level 75. Do not be surprised. So Zoom, which is Zoom video communication this week, we should expect kind of like a bullish move before we see a drop.